We've been waiting for like 1 hour. Maybe more, of course more. 1 hour and 5 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, it was 1 hour and 5 minutes still. I don't know how long we've actually been on the field trip, but everyone's going wacko. You want to see where I live? See, everyone is just going wacko, and everyone over here is calming down. Compared to over here.
Take a picture of that dirt.
Like that wacko person. Oh, you want to see the dead bird? Someone smushed it. Riley accidentally smushed it. You want to see?
Oh, that's gross.
Yeah, its guts came out. It's kind of funny. And Carl is playing on his phone. And everyone over here is going wacko. Everyone over there is going calming down. So hopefully I get to have